and participating. It is participating in more quizzes. If you attend first quiz, now you know the answer for 100 questions. Next quiz 200, 300. In the fifth quiz, you will be on stage. Sixth quiz, you will be winning the quiz. Okay? Yes. Thank you very much, all the participants. Congratulations. And yes. Oh, please give them. Tata Cruise South Zone champions. Very good. Very good. Congrats. Congrats. Yeah, good show. Good show. It shows. Okay. Good show. Hard luck. Okay. Let's next time. Good show, guys. And you're also appearing on Tata Cruise, isn't it? But try it. Okay. Next time. Better luck. Good show. Yes. Thank you very much. Please wait for the prize ceremony. Yes. Thank you. Alright, shall I have the lot? Stage will be Sarana Kumar and Satyapriya from Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology. Yes, please pick a lot, wait to decide your table. Yes, pick a color. White. White will take you to yeah. Okay, continue. Next team on stage, Srinivasa Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Textile Technology. Srinivasa Raghavan and Kannadasan. What a nice name, Kannadasan. Okay. Yes, your pick. Orange. Orange will take you to Team A. Please confirm. Mohammed Shafar and Shahad from Lead College of Management, Palakkad. Yes. Palakkad guys, are you here? Palakkad guys, any friends here? Please call them. Yes. Or give a call, please. Lead College. Please give them a call. Jitin and Sharon. SMMB. Yellow. Yellow will take you to Team E. There. Ashik and Amrut from Lead College of Management, Palakkad. Are you here? Yes. Are they here? Yes. Here is Ashik and yes. Lead College. Yes, pick a color. Blue. B. Team B. Yes, come. Where is your partner? He will be coming or not? Yes, sit there. You are? Ashik, yes, pick a color. Yes, Brown. Team D. Yeah. And Daman and Gautam, DJ Academy of Managerial Excellence. DJ Academy of Managerial Excellence. Yes. Team C. And of course, we'll have to give a big hand to Anish, Anthony and Mohammed Rameez of DJ Academy. Please stand up. They just lost by 0.5. That is photo finish. Okay, 0.5. Congrats. Then another team, Harish Kumar and Anand Kumar, KCD Business School. Please stand up. KCD, yes. You also just lost by tiebreaker 0.5. Okay, congrats. Okay. Yes. Operation. Settle down, please. Those who are, please settle down. Standing here, please settle down. Yes. Team Sridhar, you can see the screen. Good. Team, you can make yourself comfortable. Let's take the buzzer, please. 1, 2, wait, 2, 3, 4. The front page, please. You'll have to use it for the written round, okay? One round is written round, always write on the back page. Front page use it for CQC round, okay? Yes, audience, shall we have your attention please? Settle down. Teams are ready? Yes? So first question, +10, yes? Buzzer out, I'll explain, don't worry. Even some questions appear on buzzer in this talking straight round, it will be +10 -1. Same rules, +10 -1. Okay? Yes. Question number 1. Question number 1. It's our buzzer. Okay? +10 -5. Clear? Okay? Eyes on the screen. Here it comes. +10 -5. What is the contribution of Deepak Mahoni, the Indian stock market analyst, to Sensex? Most probably in the 1980s, I think. What is the contribution of Deepak Mahoni, the Indian stock market analyst, to Sensex? Any takers? +10 -5. In this question only, this +10 -5. Yes. Audience? Ready? The answer is Sensex. The name Sensex was coined by him. Please give a chocolate. The name Sensex was coined by Deepak Mahoni. Okay, that's the answer we are looking for. The answer is in the question itself. He coined the name Sensex. Now it is regular. Team 1, your question. Team A, your question. Here it comes. Boston Safe Deposit and Tourist Company receives deposits, acts as executor and trustee, and rents safes, and the address is 87 Mill Street, Boston, Mass. Okay. What is their contribution to business management, especially strategic management? Initially, that was their business, but they made an immense contribution to strategic management. Madam, Team 2. BCG matrix is actually created by Boston Safe Deposit Company. That's good. BCG. What is BCG? That's right. Yes, BCG. That's right. Boston Consulting Group matrix. Okay. Boston Consulting Group matrix. Can you give me some features of it? No idea? Somebody, audience. Yes, stand up please. Stand up. Stars, question marks, cash cows, dogs. Please give a chocolate. Good, very good, very good. Okay, so it is BCG matrix, Boston Consulting Group matrix. That's a very important feature of strategic management. That's getting you 10 points. 10 points, Team C. Next question comes to Team D. Team D, your question on the screen. P. Kumar dash and a dash company's name appears in the blank. Employee helping customers in the US debug their software application earns some rupees 5 lakhs in annual salary, but he is what? Rupees 1 crore for India's second biggest software exporter. This is a news clipping from the Economic Times 2011. No, pause. Okay. Give me the company's name. The company started human resource accounting, that is providing a value for human resources in the balance sheet. So PG quiz is slightly different. This company started human resource accounting in India. Okay. They provided value for human resource as an asset in balance sheet. Which company? His salary is rupees 5 lakhs only, but his value is 1 crore. No. Team E. Which company? Which company started human resource accounting? Clue is already there. India's second biggest software exporter. Okay. Yes. Naide? Infosys is right. Infosys, it shows a value for human resources in balance sheet. Infosys is getting Team A 10 points. Infosys. That's called human resource accounting. Okay. Question to Team B. Your question. Yes. Paris and Prague. These are all tourist souvenirs being sold as products. What exactly sold in these containers? So when you visit all these tourist destinations, these are also souvenirs. Something is sold in these containers. What is sold in these containers? No minus. Unless if there is buzzer symbol, no minus. Nada? What they sell in these containers? Tourist souvenirs. Yes. Chocolate. Paris chocolate, Prague chocolate, no. Swiss chocolate is good. What about chocolate from Paris? No. Babe. No. Not it? Biscuits. See, that should be some sort of relevance, isn't it? If it is Switzerland, you can say chocolates or watches, something like that. If it is Tuticorin, it should be macarons, something like that. But this one is very unique. Sausages and dairy products. That's a good guess, but it's wrong. Okay, whose question? Your question. Audience? Sand. See, just like in Kanyakumari, they sell sand, isn't it? Sand is very close, but the answer is air. That's good. Please give a jump. They sell air. You can ask me what is there inside. Nothing is inside. Okay, it is air from Paris. So if you buy this packet, this container from Paris, you can open it and you can smell. Inhale. Ah, this is Paris air. So ways of making money. Okay. Yes, in India nobody is trying that. At least we can try it in Chennai. Okay, it's possible. Yes, it is nothing but air. Nothing is inside. They are having simple. Okay, but they are selling it. Tourist souvenir. Yes, question, nobody answer comes to you. Team B, your question. Easy one. City Lit College of London offers a course in photography. The budding photographers will be taught how to explain ideas of space, place and surrounding issues. Use light and significant detail in their work. What is unique about this course? This diploma course costs around some $160 or pound sterling, something like that. They teach you photography. What type of photography? Wildlife photography? No. Selfie. See, you are a college student, you need a diploma to take a selfie. I know that you have taken lots of selfies with girls and boyfriends, isn't it? But it is selfie. That's good. It is selfie. They are running a diploma course to teach youngsters how to take selfies. That's good. Okay. Yes. 10 points to Team C for identifying selfie diploma course. Okay. Team D, your question. Okay. I will give you his name. His name is, he was, no more, Ghulam Muhammad. Okay. Ghulam Muhammad, the first finance minister of independent Pakistan. That was in 1948. But 1945, in the integrated India, he started a company, founded a company with Indian gentlemen. What was the company? But company is even functioning now. So, Ghulam Muhammad founded a company in 1945, a steel company with an Indian gentleman. Later on, he went to Pakistan and became the first finance minister of Pakistan. Later, the company's name was changed. How the company is known now? Audience, please. Maybe the name Mohammed may be a clue. Yes, Tindi, any answer? No. Mohammed and Mahindra are Mahindra and Mohammed instead of called M&M. Okay. Okay. Mahindra and Mohammed, that's how the company was started. Later they took it as Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay. They took it as Mahindra and Mahindra because Mohammed became the finance minister of Pakistan. The company became Mahindra and Mahindra. Now it is Mahindra. Okay. 10 points to Team E. Team F, your question. With reference to co-op-tex, the following are varieties of which product? Ilavattam, Natamai, Perfume, Gandhi, Jameen. Co-op-tex is also doing business. Okay. When you are seeing lots of advertisements for Chennai Silks, okay, and all these brands, co-op-tex is a Tamil Nadu brand, Tamil Nadu government's brand. Ilavattam, Natamai, Perfumed, Gandhi, Jameen. Following are varieties of which product? Louder. Tamil. Veti. Veti evlo brand irukka. Ilavattam Veti, Natama Veti, Perfumed Veti, Gandhi Veti, Jameen Veti. That's right, 10 points. There are all types of dhotis. Okay. See, of course, after Dhanush popularized dhoti in so many movies, lots of people are, especially college students, are visiting co-op-tex for getting their vesties. 10 points to Team F. Team A, your question. Your question. Here it comes. Can you connect the two visuals? With reference to the year 1915. Can the two visuals with reference to the year 1915. 1915. No? Team B? First World War. What is the connection? Give me an explanation. No? Football World Cup. What about the first visual? No? Coca-Cola. Then what about the dress? I can't kick. Okay. No? Team D? No. Team E? Madam? Team F? Team A is your question. Audience?
Pants or skirts, mobbers, women also will play football.
Oh, then what about the Coke bottle? After playing football, you will take a cup of Coke?
Who could have been the sponsor for the
No.
That is hobble skirt or cock bottle was inspired from hobble skirt.
So the first one is hobble skirt. The hobble skirt design provided the inspiration for designing the. That's brilliant. Please give them the gap. Okay. It is hobble skirt. The hobble skirt. Please stand up. Please stand up, ma'am. Is a Tata Crucible material. That's why he's answering our question. It is hobble skirt. The hobble skirt design actually inspired the Coca-Cola bottle design. 1915, 2015, the Coca-Cola bottle is celebrating its 100th year anniversary. That's why this question. 2015 is the 100th year of Coca-Cola bottle design. Hobble skirt.